Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about cement planter ideas for gardening. Gardening with cement plants can bring a touch of modern elegance and durability to your outdoor spaces. These planters are versatile, sturdy, and can be crafted in various shapes and sizes to suit your garden's design. Let's dive into some wonderful ideas and tips for using cement planters in your garden. Benefits of cement planters. Cement planters are highly durable and can withstand extreme weather conditions, making them a great choice for your garden. They are also heavy, so they stay in place and won't tip over easily, which is especially useful for larger plants or in windy areas. The natural look of cement blends well with any garden style, from contemporary to rustic. Choosing the right size and shape. When selecting cement planters, consider the size of your planters. Larger planters with extensive root systems need bigger planters, while smaller plants can thrive in more modest sizes. Pot. Cement planters come in various shapes: round, square, rectangular, or even unique geometric forms. Think about the overall layout of your garden and choose shapes that complement your design. Dye cement planters. Creating your own cement planters can be a fun and rewarding project. You can customize the size and shape according to your needs. All you need is a mold, some cement mix, and a bit of patience. Try using old containers, cardboards, boxes, or even balloons as molds. Once the cement hardens, you can paint or decorate the planters to add a personal touch. It is a great weekend project that can involve the whole family. Placement and arrangement. Where you place your cement planters can greatly impact the overall look of your garden. Consider grouping planters of different sizes together to create visual interest. Placing taller planters at the back and shorter ones in front can add depth to your garden. You can also use cement planters to define pathway or create distinct area within your garden. Plant selection. Cement plants are ideal for a variety of plants, including succulents, herbs, flowers, or even small trees. For a low maintenance option, succulents are perfect as they require minimal water and care. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary not only look lovely but also handy for cooking. For a splash of color, plant flowers like petunias, geraniums, or marigolds. Remember to choose plants that suit your climate and the amount of sunlight in your garden. Care and maintenance. Although cement planters are low maintenance, they do require some care. Ensure that your planters have drainage holes to prevent water from accumulation at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. During hot weather, cement can heat up, so monitor the moisture levels of your soil and water your plants as needed. Over time, you might notice some weathering on your cement planters. Can this add to their rustic charm? Decorative touches. Personalize your cement planters with small creative touches. Paint them in vibrant colors or use stencils to create intricate patterns. For a more natural look, consider leaving them unpainted and allowing them to develop a natural patina. Adding decorative stones or pebbles on top of the soil can also enhance their appearance and help retain moisture. Creating a themed garden with cement planters. One of the joys of gardening is the ability to express your creativity. You can use cement planters to create a themed garden. For example, a zen garden with minimalist cement planters filled with bamboo and simple green plants can provide a serene retreat. Alternatively, a colorful Mediterranean themed garden with painted cement planters filled with vibrant flowers can be a joyful space. So, here is my final thoughts. Cement planters are a wonderful addition to any garden, offering durability, versatility, and endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you buy them or make them yourself, they can help you create a beautiful personalized garden space. So roll up your sleeves, gather your material, and start planting. Happy gardening!